Boeing Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, north tip of Vashon, information, uniform, landing.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing Tower, traffic departing now, Cessna for the Blake, so you will see them, and left traffic 32 left.
Left traffic 32 left, we'll look for the outbound Cessna, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
And Boeing Tower, Cap 4613 inbound for landing with uniform, and we'll be parking at the museum of flight.
Cap 4613 Boeing Tower, where you at, sir?
Just east of Bellevue, Cap 4613.
Cap 4613, right traffic 32 right.
Right traffic 32 right, Cap 4613.
Cap 4613, traffic approaching Bellevue from the west there. My outbound Cessna 1600 indicated, so I'm guessing 12 o'clock, 6 miles.
Open.
Number 78 Mike, roger, right at Alpha 7, cross 32 right, then ground point 9. Do you require any assistance?
Negative, cross runway 32 right on Alpha 7, contact ground. We'll just need to close our door, that's just no problem.
Roger.
Speed checks, approach flaps.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot for helicopter inbound, aim for midfield for me.
Okay, aim for the midfield, 46 Foxtrot.
Cessna 436 Papa, before you go, traffic inbound is cap flight Cessna 12 o'clock, 2 miles, 1600 indicated. Cap 4613, still 12 o'clock, 2 miles, stops the direction of 1600 indicated, looking for you.
Cap 4613, looking for traffic.
Boeing Tower, good morning. QRX 203 at 9 miles, 32 left.
And Roger, standby. Helicopter 5074 Lima, overfly taxi Wade Bravo for me. Land south, wind is 010 at 6. If you're unable to land south, give me a heads up. But flight left, overfly taxi Wade Bravo, and then landing spot 8, clear land, wind 0106.
Spot 8 for helicopter 74 Lima, and we'll come in from the northwest. Over Bravo.
Thank you.
4613, we have that traffic.
November 46 Foxtrot, continue on the downwind. I'll call your base. Safe parking.
Go on to midfield hangars, we'll continue on the downwind, 46 Foxtrot.
Roger, you can expect a short approach from me for traffic inbound for sequencing.
Okay, we'll do the short approach, 46 Foxtrot. Just let me know when.
Echo 203 Boeing Tower, sorry for the delay. Number 2 in the sequence, runway 32 left, clear land, wind 3505.
Clear land 32 left, and number 2 QRX 203.
Boeing Tower, good morning. Cessna 6378 Mike, holding short 32 left at Alpha 9, ready to go down. Flight
6378 Mike, Boeing Tower, hold position, landing traffic.
Hold short 32 left, 78 Mike.
Number 46 Foxtrot, base now, runway 32 left, clear land.
Okay, we're turning base, clear to land, 32 left, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. 3 green.
Quebec, ORX 203, your number 2 following traffic 4 miles ahead to your left, turning base, spacing is good. Runway 32 left, clear land still, wind 3206.
Welcome, it's
3 green, full flaps, mixed with ridge prop.
Cap 4613, traffic might be a float plane passing off your right there, low level 600 indicated, not talking to them.
Cap 4613, traffic inside, and confirm 32 right for Cap 4613.
Cap 4613, it'll be the right runway
Three green,
unless you want the big runway I could try to accommodate. Just give me a heads up though.
I'd like the big runway if possible, Cap 4613.
Cap 4613, roger, you can expect that. Since you're runway 32 left, continue on my right downwind for 32 left, though. I'll call you base.
Okay, right downwind for 32 left. You call the base, Cap 4613.
Number 94661 Boeing Tower, continue inbound. Traffic might be a float plane 1400. West of the 520, continue eastbound 1400 there. And Green Lake arrival approved. Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, thanks for the help. Left off of 5, correction, Bravo 5, on the ground, point 9.
Left to Bravo 5, then ground, 46 Foxtrot.
Helicopter 74 Lima, perfect job, thanks for the help. ORX 203, number 1 in sequence now, thanks.
QX203, that's copy that way for customs.
Thanks for the heads up. Cessna 94661, traffic slow factor now well east of you, head to your left 1 mile there, continuing east. Thank you.
Flaps, cow flaps, trim, mixture, landing strobe. Boeing ground, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot Bravo 5, taxi midfield.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing ground, taxi midfield, parking view, Bravo.
Midfield hangars for your Bravo 46 Foxtrot.